Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off mouse acceleration in Marvel Rivals. All right, before, well, this feature is not available on the game, but now it is now available. All right, just go ahead and go to settings, which is right here at the top right. Click on it. Now go to settings. Now go ahead and go to your keyboard. Now here under combat, hover your mouse into this section. All right, as you can see your mouse acceleration. If it's turned on for you, make sure that it is turned off. That's basically how you do it. All right. Now, for example, you're still not feeling the aim function here in Marvel Rivals. Here's a workaround. Just gonna close this one. Close the game. Now go ahead and go to your search bar and type in graphics. All right. Once the graphics settings pops up, just gotta click on it. Now in here, under advanced graphic settings, click on it and make sure to turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. All right, turn this off and go ahead and restart your computer and check the game and see how it feels. All right, if it doesn't work for you, just go ahead and turn this back on and enjoy the game. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.